connect din. No.
No, try again. Open network settings.
Can't connect right now. Oo, waya. Malagat na pag kinunik ko na, ay di naman ako ka-live.
Okay, fine.
Shout out, shout out. Pag maka 20 minutes tayo, end na. So, update lang sa aking YouTube channel, guys. Salamat sa inyo, guys. Nandito na tayo sa dumating kami dito sa Romblon last week. So, mag-isang linggo na tayo. Naka-isang linggo na kami last Saturday. So, today is Monday. So, 1 week and 2 days. So, it's been 1 week and 2 days here in our province. Buti na lang, nakapunta agad kami dito bago bagyo. Bago dumating si Christine, before Christine hit the Romblon province. We arrived here already last Saturday. So we've been here around 1 week and 2 days. So yeah. And then since then it was rainy and windy. Oh my God, Typhoon Christine is so bad. But we are very lucky here in Romblon because we did not hit hard as compared to Bicol region, you know, and compared to other parts of the country. But there's another typhoon is coming. So yeah, everybody in the Philippines, just brace yourself because it's gonna be more rain and wind, especially in the Luzon area. But here in the Central Visayas region, we will be experiencing more tropical rainstorm and you know, rain. Walang katapusang ulan ba? Kaya, ayan. Mikot na naman tayo, pastilan. Ikot-ikot ang signal ko So, yun na nga. Salamat sa mga nanood dyan. So, yan. Update ko sa aking YouTube channel, guys. So, dahil nandito tayo sa probinsya, mahirap ang signal, mahirap sa wifi. Ganun talaga. Kaya nga, ko pa sinasabi sa inyo, guys, na once na nasa bakasyon ako sa Pilipinas, ay very, maliit ang chance na makapag-support ako ng full-time. So, sa mga members ko dyan, guys, please, stay where you are. Stay where you are. I'll do my best to play your mga premieres nyo. So yeah, and so sorry talaga sa mga absent ko, guys, sa mga support. Kasi dito ako sa Philippines right now, and this is very important to me to be with my family and to be with my two dogs,